Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track code changes with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can help you monitor and manage changes in your code base efficiently. So let's dive in. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and load the project. Open your code editor and load the project where you want to track code changes. Codeium integrates with version control systems to provide real-time assistance. Start by making some changes to your code. Codeium will help you manage these changes by providing suggestions and insights based on your modifications. To view changes, use your version control systems features. Codeium can assist by highlighting modifications and suggesting improvements based on the updated code. Codeium can also track changes across different branches. It helps by showing how your current changes compare to other branches, making it easier to manage and merge code. To accept a suggestion or apply a change, simply select on it or press the enter button. Codeium will integrate the suggested improvements into your code, helping maintain consistency and quality. Customize Codeium settings to match your tracking needs, adjust preferences for how changes are highlighted and the type of suggestions you receive based on your project's requirements. Regularly view and test your code after making changes. Codeium suggestions can help improve code quality, but always validate changes through thorough testing. Use Codeium's features to keep track of code changes effectively, whether you are working on new features, fixing bugs, or optimizing your code. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to track code changes with Codeium. This tool can help you manage and improve your code base efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.